Jai Shri Ram. The question is, who is a born sinner? B-O-R-N, sinner. Now, let us try to quickly understand these words. The word sin doesn't exist in Hinduism. In Hinduism, we have what is called papam. That means negative activity, negative karma, which will cause negative reactions, and you will have to face them. And punyam is the positive activities which will redound positively, and you will benefit from them. So this is inescapable. Even when God takes an avatar, he faces these situations. Okay. Now, sin is a Christian concept. The word sin is not the same as papam. But unfortunately, over years, we are using these two words as if they are interchangeable. The word sin, S-I-N, is a Christian concept. Basically, what it means is the papam committed by Adam by disobeying God's order. If you study Bible in the Genesis, which is the first book of the Bible, the word Genesis also means in simple English the origin of something. So in the first book of the Bible, Genesis, you must be knowing the story of the Adam and Eve and the apple, right? So sin, again I'm describing, sin in Christianity means the violation, the disobedience of Adam of God's order. God, as the story goes in Genesis, took some clay and modeled Adam, and God breathed into Adam's nostrils, and Adam came to life. Of course, there are a lot of critical thinking questions we can ask them. Why does God need to squeeze mud and all that? Who made the mud, by the way? So, in Hinduism, there can't be anything outside of God, because if there is something outside of God, that means God has a boundary line. So, in Hinduism, we believe that everything is within God. There cannot be anything beyond God. So, that's a more logical proposition. Anyway, let's go back to the Christian situation now. So, God made Adam with clay and breathed into his nostrils, and that fellow came to life. And then he said, I need company, I'm feeling lonely. So God, I believe, said in the Latin Bible, the phrase is nulla mensa sine impensa, which actually means there is nothing free here. You have to give something to get something. And Adam wouldn't have had anything. He would have said, hey, come on, I don't understand this language and I can't give you anything. So God, I believe, took one rib from Adam, removed one rib from Adam and squeezed that rib, and Eve, that is woman, came into existence. Now from the story straight away,